Borrowing money from Palmpay is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To borrow money from Palmpay, you need to follow my process. So, first of all, download the Palmpay app on your phone. Then, create an account by filling out the registration form with your information. After successful registration, the app will take you to your account dashboard. Then, navigate to Loans and click it. You will be shown the amount you are eligible to borrow. And then just follow the instructions, and if everything is in order, you will get the loan disbursed to you by Palmpay. If you just follow these steps, you will be able to borrow money from Palmpay. Palmpay is a financial services app that offers various services, including bill payments, airtime top-ups, and loans. The lending partner will review your application and make a decision. If approved, the loan amount will be disbursed to your Palmpay account or your linked bank account. Ensure you are aware of the repayment schedule and make timely payments according to the loan agreement.